Hi team, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss Heron's formula. Actually, we can find the area of a triangle in many ways. Yes or no? Okay, this is one of the way to find the area of a triangle when sides are given. Okay, the remaining how to find the area of a triangle we'll discuss in the next class. But today we are going to discuss Heron's formula and how to find the area of a triangle when sides are given. Okay, there is a one of here. See, we can find the area of a triangle of different types of triangles. It can be of equilateral triangle, it can be of isosceles, and it can be of scalene. Okay, we can find any type of triangle area by using this Heron's formula when sides are known. Okay, and this Heron's formula was given by mathematician called Heron Alexandria. Okay, it was given with the help of cosines, that is trigonometric ratios. That one we'll discuss in the further classes. How we got this formula we'll discuss in the further classes. Okay, and the formula to find the Heron's formula is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where S is called the semi-perimeter of the triangle. It was denoted by small s. Okay, not only for the three-sided figures, we can also find Heron's formula for four-sided figure also. That is for quadrilaterals. That one also we'll discuss in the further classes. So as of now, we'll discuss the area of a triangle using Heron's formula when sides are known. Okay, here we discuss with examples. So see the first example. What is given? The length of the sides of a triangle are 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, first for the given question, draw a rough figure as a triangle. Okay, I have taken here ABC. AB is 4 centimeters and AC is 3 centimeters and BC is 5 centimeters. Okay, draw a rough triangle figure. See, presentation also very important when you are doing the sum. Okay, so first write down, guys, what is given in the question. What is given? The given sides of the triangle are AB is 4 centimeters, BC is 5 centimeters and AC is 3 centimeters. But how we got these small letters C, A, B? This one, see here in the figure where A is a vertex, right? So vertex A is exactly opposite to the side BC. Okay, therefore we can write, okay, in the given triangle, see, A is a vertex opposite to side BC. Therefore we can write BC as with small letter also. Okay, that only I have mentioned in the given part. Similarly, what is AB? See, AB is exactly opposite to the vertex C. So we can write AB as C, guys. Okay, and B is a vertex that is exactly opposite to AC. Therefore AC can be also written as small b. So after mentioning all the given measurements, then we need to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So this is the formula to find the Heron's formula. Area equal to under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle and SC is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay, semi perimeter of the triangle, where the formula to find the semi perimeter of the triangle is a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, by taking the sum of all the lengths divided by 2, that gives the semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so that is the first step, guys. So whenever the sides of the triangle given, first you need to find s value, that is semi perimeter of the triangle. So I have mentioned here, I have calculated s equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4 by 2, that equal to 12 by 2. We get 6 centimeters, that is s semi perimeter. Now finding the area of a triangle, substitute the values in the given formula. 6 into 6 minus 5, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, where 6 is nothing but s value, that one we got, and ABC values I have substituted according to the formula. So simplify, and so what we get? We got 6 into 6, that equal to 6 square, where square and root get cancelled, we get 6 square centimeters. Okay, that is the area of the triangle with the given measurements 4, 3 and 5 centimeters. So this is a method to find the area of a triangle using Heron's method, and we will discuss few examples in the further examples also. Okay, thank you for watching.